Hello and welcome to Cooking with the Idiots. Today we're going to be making a cheese and a scrambled egg sandwiched on toast. Today we're going to do the stupid video. This is my partner, Idiot, and welcome to Cooking with Idiots. Today I'm going to get out the ingredients and we'll be right back with you. Stop that! He's talking. Okay, let's go. So, I'm about to get my eggs. I got my 2 eggs. I'm going to use 2 eggs. You can use 1 if you want, or 3, but I prefer 2. Now, usually, give me a bowl, please. This will work. Clean it out. Okay, usually, I would use milk. But today, I am out of milk. So, since I'm out of milk, I'm just gonna make it plain. Yeah. Usually, I'll pour in the milk while I'm mixing it. And, well, we're getting pumped up. I'm sorry for his flabbery muscles he's trying to show. Okay, so, welcomes. Get out the salt and pepper, pal. We're gonna stir it up. Well, we're just gonna use some pepper.
Ooh, eggs.
And a little salt. Hey, give me the eggs. Sorry, he's stupid. Okay, we're gonna crack the first egg. And we're just gonna crack it again, because it wouldn't open. And sorry, don't do that. This is why we call it Cooking with the Idiots. Don't do that.
Why'd you do that, Austin?
Shut up. I got an idiot as teammate. Okay. You picked this up somehow. Give me a spoon. Sorry, pal.
That is not how you pick it up. You're gonna eat it off the stove? Why'd you spill it? Why'd you spill it? You made me!
Sorry, he's an idiot. That's why we're doing this. Okay. That's why it's the name. I gotta re-crack this egg. No! We're trying to cook pretty good here, but he's just making it difficult.
Why don't you just make a grilled cheese and they'll like the video?
Say, we want to see some real cooking, ain't that right, guys?
That ain't cooking when you're using a microwave.
Ooh.
They know how to make egg sandwiches, Austin.
Well, maybe Austin, their friend, can teach them how to cook better. I'm sorry, guys. I'll be back with ya. This guy's so stupid. Don't touch my egg. You want to stir them up for me? You stay back. This is why we call it Cooking with Idiots.
You already said that.
I know. Throw this away, please.
It's right over there!
Ding dong, you retard! I'm sorry!
Catch up in your
We didn't have any bread either. Crap.
Use cookies.
Shut up. We are not using cookies on this channel. We make better food than that. Now, we're just gonna have to teach you how to make eggs. Give me a spoon.
Easy eggs. These are so good. You want one?
I got the dumbest partner ever. You're not gonna get us any views. Okay, now I'm gonna stir it up. I'm gonna stir it up very thoroughly. Usually I would use your milk, but I don't have milk. Oh, stop! Stop being stupid!
This is 2 plates.
I know. Use the top one. Oh, you're trying to make yourself look stupid. So, welcome. I'm still stirring the eggs. We don't have any bread. That's the crappy thing. We'll have to use 1 piece of bread, and it's the worst piece in the stack.
That is bread.
Crap, this is grilled cheese. Well, This is gonna be the worst egg sandwich you've ever seen made. Yay. Now,
Hey, just take that apart and put the egg in it.
I need milk. I don't have milk. I didn't have none of the stuff I thought I had. This is what I call roughing it. Okay, Carter. Please exit the room. If you're not gonna help. This one. I'm about to cook my eggs.
Listen up after Mall Couple watched Hunger Games.
Okay, we're pretty stupid. That's why this is the idiot channel. Woo! Let's go. So, I'm about to cook my eggs in the microwave. Ow! Ouch! Sorry. Okay. So, first we're gonna put our eggs in the microwave and put it in for about a minute and let it sit. Then we'll scrape it out. Don't turn it down. Carter, you're trying to be stupid. You're gonna get us next year. Now, Mom, turn it down. I'll be back. So, welcome back. Sorry about my brother. Thank you for your views. Now, we're gonna take these eggs out as soon as they get done. I got 15 seconds left. Now, you can count if you want, because I was a little bit off. But, so now, I'm gonna get all my crap together. I only have enough time to put cheese on them, okay? So they just got done. Now,
Boy, betting.
he's a copywriter. Okay, so here it comes. We're gonna get our eggs out from Cooking with the Idiots, and we're going to place a piece of cheese on the platter we lay them on. Now, in this case, the platter is a paper plate. But I'm gonna scrape around the edges, that way the egg comes out fully. And I'm just gonna flip it over.
Austin, you're eating it, not me.
Flip it over. And I take it off. Voila! The perfect egg. It looks like it's perfect. Now, I'm gonna go get me some cheese to melt on this. Goodbye. I'll be back.
That's how you make it look like McDonald's eggs.
Okay. Okay. Come over here with me. Okay. You're not gonna do squat if I have said it. Now, okay. Crap, we should have kept this in the package. Somebody forgot. You forgot to do it. Leave us alone.
Who alone? You?
And my viewers.
You don't have none viewers. You won't have none.
Yeah. Yeah, These are my viewers right now who are watching my video. Don't. Sorry, I have a retarded partner. He's very stupid. Now this cheese is rotten because he left it like this. I'm just gonna have to put the thing.
It's only been open for 1 day.
Yeah, and it's still hard. You want to feel it? I'm putting it back.
That's because you have 50.
You gotta put them in a bag. Now stick that back on the.
Which bag?
No. Okay. plastic bag, but my brother don't want to, and I don't want to, so we're not going to. It'll just ruin the cheese. We don't care. Well, I kind of do, but he don't. So, as my cheese is melting, thank you for all your views. That is the end to this video.
You better smash that like button.
And like it. You're gonna eat it. Goodbye. And this was Cooking with the Idiots. I'm your host, and this is the dummy. Okay, goodbye.